Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I do this really fun green look for y'all. I don't know, what do you think? I love how it turned out. This green is so pretty. It's definitely maybe not something I'd normally go to, but I'm happy I did. I love how the look turned out, and I can't wait to like wear it out if I ever go anywhere or do anything. And while I have you here, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Lets me know that you like what I got going on here. Leave any comments down below, any questions you have for me, any video ideas that you want to see, or anything that you want me to review within reason, because I do like to review products. Anyhow, continue watching if you want to see how I got this really cute green look. So here we are, round 2 with the Retro Paradise palette from e.l.f. I have been using this when I've done my makeup, just playing around with the shades, and it's a really cute palette, so I've definitely been using it. And like I said, if you've watched my last video that is up, and I can say that with confidence, I think it could make for a really nice fall palette. I still just very much, I mean, this thing came, I don't know if you can even see like just how chewed up this like plastic is. I mean, and it's wasteful. Like, I can appreciate some like nice quality wasteful packaging, because at least it's like pretty to look at, right? Kind of like a collector's, put on your vanity. But there really is no point to this. It's hideous. But the shadows work, and that's what matters. So like I said in that video, and it was funny, I was editing that video to put up today, and I'd seen myself swatch this Baha Mar green color, and I was like, oh yeah, I remember I wanted to do a green look with that. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So is this gonna be the most complex makeup look you'd ever seen? You bet your ass off. No, I'm joking, it won't be. But it'll be a fun makeup look with a really pretty green. I mean, that's gorgeous. Let me hit this purple again one more time. I would be looking at this purple, but I've done a couple purple looks on my channel. Not that you can't always do more, but those colors, they're just so pretty. So anyhow, enough carrying on. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Dijon here in my crease. It looks, I feel like, well, I don't know. It shows up really lightly, so it looks a little bit darker in that pan. I don't know. Just, you'll fucking see. I actually did my base like quite a while ago, so it's nice and dewy. Love that. And then we ate dinner, and then I wasn't even gonna do this, and then my husband was like, go do your video. And I was like, yeah, you just want me out of your hair. And it worked, because I'm out of his hair. But I needed to get in here. But look how that just like blends on effortlessly. And this was like a $15 palette. You don't always need $50 and $60, $80 palettes. It's nice to have, but realistically, I'm just gonna take like the side of this brush and then put some on the lower lash line. Tickles. All right, looking pretty good. I am so excited for fall. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch, and then I think I'm gonna do one of my Halloween looks when we're done with that. I don't know, I'm just, to go get like the jams. This one, it's Roll Off Farms. They do like jams and all sorts of stuff. Like, it's not just a pumpkin patch. So I'm super excited, and I think I might even film. We'll see. Definitely gonna try. But I feel like, when did like fall become like a vibe? Like, we all love fall. I mean, maybe people always did, and now you just know like it's a thing, but it's like fall is like its own entity. It's just so weird. Anyhow, jumping into the Baha Mar color, and we're gonna pack that on the lid. This definitely, I don't think, is like a fall look. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's just a pretty green, and it definitely was like an inspiring shade. It's going on there really nicely. It's got a little bit of shimmer to it, kind of like a sheen. Nothing crazy. It's pretty. So, I mean, it went on great with the brush, but I think I'm still gonna go in with my finger and pack some on. So pretty. Kind of bring it up and marry it with that Dijon color. And then take that same brush and blend over that. So cute. Okay, so that just looks like neon. It's just so cute. I love it. I'm gonna pop on my lashes real quick just to kind of see what more I want to do. Like definitely like to the lower lash line because I really like what's going on above. I don't want to take from the green at all. So let me put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on, and of course I know people are probably sick of this shit, but I use these AliExpress lashes. But I bought 3 packs of them and I'm gonna buy more. If there is a lash brand that you want me to review, I will. But $2 for 5 pairs of lashes, and look at these, like, I don't know. Sorry. And they go on so easily too. They just pluck right onto your eye, so they're easy to work with. They're reasonably comfortable, you know. So if I come across a lash that really like sparks my interest where I'm like, damn, I gotta have that lash, or if there's a lash that you want me to review, yeah, go ahead and leave it down below. But I'm not gonna go out of my way to buy like $10, $15 lashes for a pair when I can get 5 for $2. Just not gonna. So I love how this is looking, and I was just looking at this little palette. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run some Sandy Bum on my lower lash line, the names. At least I can pronounce that one. So I'm just gonna take this, probably hair everywhere, this little brush here, and just kind of tuck that under the lower lash line. I love how the upper lid looks, the eye look is going. So pretty. So I think I'm good there. This is just such an easy look too, really, if you were to want to recreate it. And really, we're just giving like a little bit of definition to the eye. And spoiler alert, I mean, I like e.l.f., but their concealer is my tried and true, the e.l.f. Camo one. But if you watched my last video, that damn foundation, I'm still like upset about how bad that went. Perfect. And I brought it in just to kind of elongate the eye and just give a definition just right there in the inner corner as well. There's a little bit of fallout, so just tuck that away real quick. Nothing outrageous. So shiny. So I think I'm gonna try to get this Paraiso color for my inner corner. I'll go down with Sea Salt, the white one first, just so it's bright. These are more toppers. They don't really work great for like inner corner highlights, but I didn't grab anything else, and I do want an inner corner highlight, so It's like, yeah, like a glitter topper almost. It shows up. I'm gonna take that fluffy brush and just kind of blend this out a bit. All right. And then also I got this Cosmic eyeliner, prismatic eyeliner pencil. So I'm gonna put that in my waterline because I wasn't able, or I didn't use it in my like e.l.f. haul, full face e.l.f. Oh, that was, pulled the cap off. Has like a little sharpener in the cap. I think I got this for like $1. Oh, tickles. You probably won't even be able to see on camera it in my lower lash, but it is very like prismatic iridescent. That's pretty. You could even use that like on the lid and kind of buff it out like with your finger as like a cute, like throw, say, Dijon in your crease and then swipe this across your lid real quick and then tap it out. And that could be really, really cute. Yeah, it doesn't really do much for like the lower waterline. I wasn't sure, you know, I didn't know what to expect. I thought it would be like white with like whatever hue, but it's cute, but it just, you gotta find its purpose. What do you think? I love it. So I'm gonna use my Petite and Pretty mascara real quick. And then I'm gonna pop on my NYX liner in Nude for my lip. Okay, just really pack that on the lip. So this is a completed look. What do you think? I love it. I love, love, love this green. I just, such an easy, fun look. Like if you, I don't know, I think it's 100% wearable. Like green is completely appropriate to wear. Especially this green. It's just so, so pretty on like a sunny fall day. I've just been obsessed with sunny fall days. So excuse me for the next month while I say that in every video. Anyhow, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below your thoughts on the look, things you've been loving, any looks that you maybe want to see, and stay tuned because I do have a handful of Halloween videos, just a couple that I will be putting out that I'm super excited for. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, subscribe. It really helps me out. Or don't. Thank you just for watching, really. Have a good day or night wherever you are. Bye.